Hi everybody, today's focus I'm going to share with you how much money I made my first year being monetized on YouTube. So for those of you unfamiliar with my channel, the name is Field of Focus and I test cleaning products. My favorite cleaning products to test are those that claim they can remove bacteria. What I do is I test in my home to see if these products can actually remove bacteria. For example, I'll take petri dishes and sterile swabs in swab areas in my home, like my kitchen counter, kitchen sink, toilet rim, my bathroom sink, and I put those samples on a petri dish. Then I clean using whatever product it is that I'm testing, whether it be Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes or 7th generation. And then after I'm done cleaning, I take a sample again and place that on a petri dish. Then I compare the before samples and the after samples to see how well the product removed bacteria. I test all sorts of products, from mainstream cleaning products and cleaning wipes to laundry detergents and laundry sanitizers to essential oils and natural cleaners such as vinegar and so much more. I published my first video in February of 2020, and that was a review of my Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner. And from there I made various videos, a lot of gardening and homeschool videos, until I decided to switch gears and start testing the cleaning products. By September 2021, I was consistently posting once or twice a week on my YouTube channel. It took me about 11 months to reach the requirements to be included in the YouTube Partner Program, so that is having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. In August of 2022, my YouTube channel became monetized. So my first day of being monetized was Monday, August 15th of 2022, and I made $1.20. From that point, I was making between $1 and maybe $9 a day on YouTube. My highest paying day was actually just recently. It was earlier this month. It was Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023, when I made $17.32. That was an anomaly. You can see here most of my days are between $5 and $10 a day. So I created a Google Sheet so you could see how much I made per month on my first year. So you can see here, January through July of 2022, I didn't make any money. I was making videos, but I did not make any money. Then came August. I became monetized in the middle of August, so the first month I made $77. Then in September, I made $144, and it goes up from there. $187, $186, went down in December to $126. So my total for 2022 was $721.86. However, I spent quite a bit of money the first year on my YouTube channel on supplies, petri dishes, the sterile swabs, camera equipment. So I spent almost $1,800, so I actually was negative $1,000 that year for my YouTube channel. Then looking at 2023, January I made $124, $136, $166, $173, $182, $188. In July, it went up quite a bit to $285. And as of August 12th, I've made $101. So far this year, I've made almost $1,400. I've spent $961. So right now, I've made a profit of $398. So for my first 12 months, from August of 2022 until right now, August of 2023, I've made about $2,000 on my YouTube channel, and I have spent about $2,700 in supplies for this channel. In addition to making money from the ads on my YouTube videos, I also have gotten 2 super thanks, so that's got me an additional $7. So that's basically it. From August of 2022 until August of 2023, I make between $4 and $9 per day. And within that year, I've grown from 1,000 subscribers to 4,648 subscribers. I hope this is helpful for anybody who's watching and is interested in seeing how much someone makes their first year having a monetized YouTube channel. I also hope you check out some of my cleaning videos, and perhaps you'll have a suggestion for something for me to test out. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.